So, good morning all the students of class 2. Welcome to your math class, student. So, how all of you? Tell me, how all of you? Student, can you hear me? And can you see the board clearly or properly? Say me. Okay. So, can you tell me that what we will do now? Okay. So, already student, we have, okay, all of you are good? Good. Now, open your book, open your copy and we will do some revision on basis of Math Magic book, okay? So, let's start. Open your Math Magic book. No need to open the Math Magic book. You just take out your copy and take the pencil. I will give you some maths and you will do it, okay? And then after that, you have to submit me here and I will check it, okay? So, student, are you ready? Tell me. Okay, tell me yes or no. Are you ready, all of you? Can you hear me properly? Yes, sister say yes. Okay. So, I will give from 1 to 8 from first number chapter to 8th number chapter. 8 chapters we having now. So, I will give questions for each chapters, okay? So, we have already started first revision. We have done our first revision, isn't it? So, today we will do revision. It's a 2. Revision 2, okay? So, the first question that I am here giving to you, 12 things equal to dash pair. 12 things means how many pairs that you have to be right, okay? Don't tell me the answer, write it write on your copy and then after that submit the page, okay? Lisa, don't tell the answer here. All of your friend will see it. You just do it and then after that submit the page. Complete the pattern. Okay? do it fast. Then after that I will rub the first number and I will give the next. Okay. Number 3, Bhanu uses dash sticks. To make one bundle. Okay. On number 3, you have to be right that Bhanu, can you remember who is Bhanu? That person who used to go jungle for collecting the sticks. So, Bhanu uses how many sticks to make one bundle? That you have to be write down. Okay. Okay. So student, can I rub the number 1? I'm rubbing number 1. Okay. Okay. Here I am giving number 4. I can carry. I can carry a grain of sugar. I can carry a grain of sugar bigger, B-I-G-G-E-R, bigger than myself. Now, can you guess that who am I? Can you tell who am I? Okay. Okay, who have completed? Submit the page. Okay, submit the page and let me check it. Okay, submit it. Who has already completed? Okay, now I will ask you question and you will tell me. Okay, who have already completed? Okay, Susan, Shamriddho, Ushmit, Susan, Lisa, all are completed. Okay, so number 1 that I am asking, 12 things equal to how many pairs, students? 12 pairs equal to how many, students? Tell me. 6. Good. Ayush? 6 pairs. Because we know that 1 pair equal to 2 things. So, double of, one pair, pair is always double whenever it convert to things. So, 1 pair equal to 2 things, 2 pair equal to 4 things. In the same way, 6 pairs equal to 12 things. So, 12 things equal to 6 pairs. Now, number 2, complete the patterns. 24, 27. After 24, suddenly it's come 27. And then after that, after 27, it's come 30. Now, what will be the next number? It will come, can you say? Yes, 33, and then after that 36. Now, I am asking you, can you tell me how from 24, 27 comes? Can you tell me by which process? How we can get 27 after 24? After 24, how can we get 27? Can you tell me the process or the rules? Because you are now in 2, so you have to be also tell me the rules sometimes whenever I will ask you. Suddenly from 24, how 27 comes? How? After 2 jumps. Okay, Lisa says 2 jumps. No, Lisa, if you take 2 jumps, it will come 26. Somriddhu 3. What 3? Somriddhu? Oshmit 3 jumps. Okay. Ahanaf has says 2. Simple. 2 jumps. 2 jumps forward or backward? 2 jumps forward or backward? Sorry, 3 jumps. 3 jumps forward or backward? Forward means addition, backward means subtraction. In this way. Understand? So, you can say that if you add plus 3, if you add plus 3 with 24, you will get 27. Again with 27, if you add 3, you will get 30. In the same way, if you add 3 with 30, you will get 33. And with 33, if you add 3, you will get 36. So, it follow the same rules or process. Write down this one, plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 as a linker. What is the rules that you have to be also write? So, write down on your copy, okay? Now, number 3, Bhanu uses dash sticks to make a bundle. How many sticks? 10. Good. 10 sticks to make a bundle. And the number 4 is the guessing time. I can carry a grain of sugar bigger than myself. Can you tell me that who am I? Ant. Yes. In your math magic book, there was a picture of ant, and who is saying that, do you know that I can carry bigger than myself a sugar cane? So, that's all for today's revision. Okay? Okay? Do you understand all those things? Okay?